Ever wondered how you can turn your YouTube hobby into a lucrative business? As it turns out, YouTube is not just for cat videos and funny clips anymore. With over 2 billion logged-in users every month, it's no surprise that content creators are leveraging this platform to generate income. But making money on YouTube isn't as simple as uploading a video and waiting for the cash to roll in. It requires a well-thought-out strategy, consistency, and a dash of creativity. Today, we'll guide you through the various ways you can monetize your YouTube channel and start making money. The foundation of any profitable YouTube channel is high-quality content. It's essential to identify your niche and create engaging videos that your target audience will find valuable. Whether you're delivering tutorials, vlogs, comedy sketches, or educational content, always aim to offer value and captivate your viewers. Building a dedicated audience is another crucial step. By consistently uploading content and engaging with your viewers, you can cultivate a loyal fan base. Encourage your viewers to subscribe, like, and share your videos. Don't forget to leverage the power of social media platforms to attract new subscribers and grow your audience. Once you've amassed at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours over the past 12 months, you're eligible to join the YouTube Partner Program, or YPP. This program opens the door to monetizing your videos through advertisements, sponsorships, and more. Being a part of the YPP allows you to enable a variety of monetization features. These include advertisements, where YouTube places ads on your videos and you earn a share of the revenue. You can also offer channel memberships, providing exclusive perks to subscribers for a monthly fee. During live streams, Super Chat and Super Stickers give viewers the option to purchase highlighted messages or animated stickers, providing another income stream. Lastly, the merchandise shelf allows you to showcase your own products directly below your videos, facilitating easy purchases for viewers. Affiliate marketing is another profitable avenue to explore. By partnering with brands and promoting their products or services in your videos, you can earn a commission for each sale or lead generated through your referral links. As your channel grows, you may find brands approaching you for sponsored content opportunities. Alternatively, you can proactively reach out to brands that align with your niche and propose collaboration opportunities. Always remember to negotiate terms that ensure a mutually beneficial partnership. But don't stop there. Diversify your revenue streams by venturing into merchandise sales, crowdfunding platforms like Patreon, or even offering consulting or coaching services. The more income sources you have, the more financially secure your channel will be. Lastly, always keep an eye on your channel analytics. By understanding your audience's preferences and identifying trends, you can optimize your content strategy to maximize viewer engagement and revenue. In summary, monetizing your YouTube channel requires a combination of high-quality content, a loyal audience, and a diversified approach to revenue generation. With dedication, creativity, and strategic planning, you can transform your passion into a profitable business. YouTube is more than a platform for sharing videos. It's a platform for turning your passion into profit.